Hello, how are you, Ma?
I'm fine.
How was your school trip to the cinema?
Not very good. If Because it was the movie called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's a good movie, but I didn't felt good because I've also read the book and I've also watched the movie one time, and it was the second time, and that's why I didn't have so much fun.
Okay, you already know the whole story of the movie, therefore you did not enjoy. So then, altogether, what was something new for you? Because tell me about what
Because whenever I'll go to theater, that there will be something else. But with the friends was the good fun. But with
having
the friends was the
staying
good
with
fun.
friends were good fun outside the school.
Yeah.
Okay, what about the big screen? Have you ever seen such a big screen movie?
Yep.
No, I don't see.
I watched in my school.
Already,
Yeah.
that much big screen was there.
In a computer lab.
So would you like to go again there or not?
I love to go to the cinema, but with my friends again.
Well, you prefer to go with friends. Hanging with friends is great fun for you.
Yeah, means we are free. We can do anything.
Today also I have got the complaint that you were only wandering here and there and you were not watching the movie.
Because I watched the movie. That's why.
Hmm.
That's why. I was not having fun. That's why I'm going there.
Okay. Who are your friends who were hanging with you? Both were together with you. You three guys were together. Okay. Okay. And did
I ate a lot of popcorns. My popcorns were not getting empty.
okay because
I
it was
gave to some guys. I ate it for me. I gave it to Hadi.
सही सही सही